Hey guys, it's me Rusul and this is my channel GL Style Girls Lifestyle. Welcome back to yet another travel vlog and welcome to Amritsar. Come to Amritsar today for like a 5-day trip, and this was very unplanned, but finally we are here, and we have stayed in the Om Sai Hotel for the first 2 days, which is very close to the Golden Temple and also to the Jallianwala Bagh. It is very near to the Jallianwala Bagh, which is like a 1-minute walk from here. Before that, we have been traveling for 15 hours now, and we came by. First we went to Delhi by the flight, and from there we took a train to Amritsar, and now we are finally here after like 15 hours of continuous traveling, and now we are gonna be going to Jallianwala Bagh as I said. So we are all ready, and I thought of starting the vlog here. So yeah, let's just begin the vlog. I'll see you guys there. So guys, we were just about to go, but just in front of our hotel, which is this, we found this Golgappa stall, and we had Golgappas, and their Golgappas are different, very different. First of all, the pani was too sweet. I mean, not too sweet, it was too cold, like very cold water, and they give aloo, some meetha pani and tikha pani all mixed together, which was decent. I just had two, but yeah, let's go to the bar now.
लेकिन उत्थे मौजूद लोगों की बेचैनी वध गई, पर उन्होंने नेता ने उन्होंने हौसला दिता कि सभा शांतिपूर्वक चल रही है, डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं।
So guys, we entered the Jallianwala Bagh, and as you enter, there are few galleries which has showcased the event. Here, many years back, in 1919, when the Britishers used to rule on India, here in this place there was a gathering on the day of Baisakhi, and a lot of people, like hundreds and thousands of people, had gathered here. I think a Rowlatt Act was going on, so they all had protested, or some had also like come like that only because they wanted to just with their kids, and they just wanted to roam around and have some fun. So they had come here, and what happened was, on that day, General Dyer was a Britisher who had bought his army, and he started shooting on all the people, and the people were like shot, and they had nowhere to go because there were so many long walls and buildings all around. So many people fell inside the well, which we're gonna see here, and a lot of people died. Like most of them died. Some survived. We saw about them also, but like this was the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and I have been like studying about this the previous year for my 10th, and today to be able to witness like the place is just giving me true goosebumps. Like, you know, just imagine so many people getting dead all together, and the dead bodies just lying of like children and all categories of people. So yeah. So guys, when the shooting started, here, this is the well, as you can see behind me. Here many of the people, they got scared and they jumped into this well, so that they are not being, you know, shot by the army. And it's just so terrifying to see this, because obviously just imagine people jumping into the well. So what they would be thinking at that point of, I mean, what they would be experiencing at that moment of time. And just be so terrifying and horrifying experience. So yeah. Guys, can you see the bullet marks behind me? Like, these are the real bullet marks. And just seeing this, I just can't express how I feel. And I'm sure you'll feel the same when you come here. Like, yeah. Last year seeing this in my history book, and today actually witnessing it. Oh my god, we have come a long way. But this is so I don't know how to explain this, but we feel, you know, my mom literally, she cried feeling the atmosphere and feeling the vibe of this place, which is actually kind of, you know, a little depressing and terrifying because it happened and so many people had died here. So today where we are standing, like some years back, like hundreds and thousands of dead bodies were lying, and yeah, that's just hard to see. But overall we had a great experience here. Like there are so much things to see and to witness, and you should definitely visit this place if you are in Amritsar. But yeah, let's go to another place now and I'll show you what that is. गाजर का हलवा, so yummy in the winters. So guys, it's finally time to try the famous Amritsari kulcha, which I'm so excited about. As you can see the kulcha here with more makhan. This is Amritsari mixed kulcha. Yeah.
This is a खट्टी मीठी चटनी.
Mom, Dad can't wait anymore. It's really good though. Very crispy, very yummy. Lots of makhan and delicious. Hey guys, so now we have come to the Mall of Amritsar. Today is Christmas, so we thought of just visiting the Mall of Amritsar and to see what kind of malls do Amritsar has. And it's very cold. I hope like inside as we go the heater would be on. But yeah, without much ado, let's go inside this beautiful mall. shopping, nothing except for some pendants in Mr. DIY. We have come to this restaurant called Bharada Dhaba, and this is very famous. The main original one is near the Golden Temple, but we have come to the mall and we found this here, so we thought of having dinner here. Let's go in and eat and tell you the experience how it was. So guys, we had ordered the paratha thali and we also had ordered the makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. The paratha thali has arrived and you can see two crispy looking parathas with so much, I think this is ghee, with dal makhani which also has a lot of ghee on top, and chole with a lot of ghee, and bundi raita. We have a sweet here. Let's begin and make the first bite, see what it tastes like. We'll first try with some dal makhani. It's too hot. The first taste which I can feel is ghee. Lots and lots of ghee. And the very hot and super crunchy parathas with the very flavorful dal makhani. Let's also try some chole and raita maybe. Super cold. I also have given some onion and chole. The choles are very moist and soft, and they just melt in your mouth with all those ghee and flavors, and just amazingness, and very delicious. Hey guys, so let me show you and talk you through the hotel that we have opted first, which is the Om Sai Hotel, and as I had already spoken about in the intro. So this hotel is very near to the Golden Temple, and we have opted for the deluxe room. There are basically 3 types of room, and he gave us options if you want to upgrade. So there is a deluxe room, there is another premium room, and there is another family suite room. So the deluxe room is for 2,000 per night. It is a very tiny room, like very clumsy and very small, but it is like kind of pretty clean, and the washrooms are also small, but they are clean. We had to ask for towels and toilet papers because they were not all kept in the room, but overall the people here, they talk really nicely and they are very well behaved, and the rooms are also great if you want to stay near the Golden Temple. It is really nice. You can also opt for the upper family suite room, which is for 4,000, and they have more beds and are a little more spacious. So it's according to you what you want. And for us, we're gonna be staying here for 2 nights. Also, this street, it is a very narrow street. So I hope you guys got all the details that you wanted for this hotel if you ever wanted to stay here. And yeah, that's it.